Hi, I'm you. I'm the voice inside your head. And behind me are three characters that represent a wall. The wall is a physical manifestation of your conscience. The two on my side are evil. They're the thing that deals with the beast inside you. However, the one in the middle is of a somber nature. It's the product of everything that your parents have taught you. It's pure goodness. Now, in a little while, you'll see three friends who come up and give themselves up to the wall. I mean, their conscience. And you can ask me questions, for I'll be around, but softly, of course, because I'll be in your head.
Feels good, right? It feels really good. Like, I feel free. We are human conscience. We are formidable force. But I don't know what we are doing anymore. All we can see from our windows is people running from right to left, left to right. I don't know. I don't get it why they're so scared to sit with their mind. I want to tell them, come inside, bro. We don't buy.
I wish I could give them ideas. Oh, so many ideas. But they are human. Fragile, powerless human. It disgusts me that they get to sleep at night.
Night and day are all the same to these idle dogs. These good thoughts you speak of, these world-changing thoughts, it's all the same to these foolishly lazy humans.
Yeah.
But when they close their eyes at night, they get nightmares. And bad thoughts, well, bad thoughts, desire, anguish, anxiety. These are what travel fast and they're ferried around like rat-borne diseases.
Why do you feel the need to speak?
Well, darling, because I simply must. Somebody needs to balance out all of this unnecessary optimism. Who better than me? And just like that, you show them a world that will never exist. And I give them the delightful prick of reality.
What reality?
You don't have to worry your empty little head about that, okay?
If you can speak well, if you can speak nice, why do you speak up at all?
Well, I might as well just go blind then, right? My thoughts have done more damage to me than these no urination please posters and these jobs available advertisements that we've been carrying around all these years.
Please, can you say that job available thing again? You can write that down on your body any way you want, and that will make them stop. They will come and sit with you. They will picking at you. They're crawling on your past plaster. Fun time.
Oh, you make my plaster crawl.
But guys, listen to me. Honestly, I think we have come to a time where good and evil has lost its meaning. Well, the modern people, they know about it, but they stopped caring about it long ago. I think they're too tired, or they're too confused. Yes, that's the right word. They're too confused.
They no longer choose. They simply give in.
Well, I think that there's still good left in this world. You just need to keep your spirit up. I think that is how it has always been, and that is how it will always be. It is the trick and it is the balm.
Presumptuous.
Preposterous.
Well, wouldn't you two agree? You two are technically made of the same cement.
Only Lord knows what was mixed for making that one.
I have an idea. Sunshine and rainbow.
Is it a lucky day?
It might just be. Back in position. And you pay attention. Learn a thing or two today, okay?
Listen. Guys, where are we? What is with this room? It feels funny. It's giving me the creeps.
I don't care about this room, this place. The only thing that I care about is our safety.
Nothing matters now. Nobody matters.
Hey, calm down. Simmer down. You've got this. You've got this.
Okay. Tell me the truth. It felt good, right? You liked it.
What? In the last 24 hours, the only thing that I've liked, the only thing that I've thought about is that my life getting ruined.
Don't be so ambiguous. You're just messing with yourself. Realize the fact that we've just killed a man and it feels great. We killed him.
Why did it happen? How it happened? Oh, we have just killed a human, didn't we? Who was it? Was it a guy or a girl?
Hey, calm down. Calm down. It's all right. It's all right. I've got this. I've got this. Good joy. How could you do it? For once, did you even feel that that person that you have killed is a human? He could be a husband, a son, a father to someone. You are an animal.
Animal? You're talking about animals? It's all a facade. We are the animals. We are the ones wearing masks, trying to pretend something we're better than. We're nothing but animals.
Oh, Duljoy, look what your action has done to me. I am now petrified, like a shivering dog. Pollution, politics, poverty, the pettiness of everything. That man could have been died by anything from this God-forsaken country. But now, he has died because of us. He has died because of this murder. And our existence is so pathetic. How pathetic our existence has become.
All right. Shut up. Listen, it wasn't my fault. It wasn't me. It was that thing. He looked like Frankenstein. He wasn't even a human, probably. He looked like a patchwork quilt of everything I've despised. And all I did was give in to my instincts. Nothing else. A demon possessed me. That's all. And I realized either it was me or it.
Break the wall.
Take control.
Guys, it's not just me. You heard that, right?
What are you even talking about? So now you're hearing sounds? Have you been possessed or what?
Now I remember. Now I remember your face when you have killed that man. Now I understand the torment in my soul. I have seen hell in your eyes. A man like you should not roam free.
Stop talking. Listen, do not kid yourselves. It wasn't my fault. And all I did was give the animal inside that I recognized I have the power it deserves. And I helped you to do it too. You were in it. So you have to acknowledge it.
Huh? We want me to acknowledge it? Huh? How about I kill you, huh? Wouldn't that be great, huh?
Hey, hold on. We can't go on like this. We'll only fall down bottomless pits like this. Let me think. I'll find something out. But first, you gotta shut up and let me think.
Think? You want to think? Let me give you something else to think about. Think of the man we just killed. Think of his balding head that will never see the light of day. Think about his lungi. Think about his shirt, bloody with our blood, because it was us. We killed him. Do not kid yourself.
Good job, you dog!
Oh Lord, we have become the beast we have so much hated.
Boys,
Who is it speaking?
we're here! We are the fall. You couldn't dare to pray.
Fear not, child. You did the right thing.
Yeah. What's the fun without one miserable soul like Durjoy?
We are your conscience.
Don't think of what you did, chap.
Think of your mother, her flower and her hair.
What are you talking about? How can you do it? How can you talk?
I'm here so that you can confess. This is a sin. You need to confess, my child.
Nonsense. You are heroes.
You're not hero. Blood for blood is not justice. I'm not going till you confess.
Maggie, stop! Maggie, stop!
I won't stop till you confess. This is not good.
Shut up! Shut up! These boys are heroes.
They are heroes.
Yes,
You
They're
just
not.
Shut up.
They are not.
Giant, stand up! We're something about them! Ah! Stop!
It is gone.
The wall has been destroyed.
I think we're safe now.
We'll run away. We'll run away.
you mortals make me laugh. Did you really think you could end us?
Did you really think you are heroes?
You are sinners, just mere toys of your inner beast.
You have never realized the divine in you. You are the shame of humanity.
Bimala, what did you do? They deserved the chance. They wanted to redeem themselves.
No, you listen. What did we tell you? You need to watch and learn.
But what is there of divinity if you
Listen.
do not forgive?
This was bound to happen. Human race will rise and fall until they accept to acknowledge their conscience.
I think we should get back into formation.
Get back to you two.
Oh dear, it truly seems the human mind is corrupted and has an animal that, whereas some let the animal consume, others pick chaos, only brave enough to look at the animal straight in the eye and make it succumb to the greater conscience, only if they ever realize that.